Hello and welcome to another tutorial of VertexFX Mobile Trader. Today, we will learn how to place limit orders using the VertexFX mobile application. So let's get started. Currently, the market is at 1708.09 and our resistance level is at 1710. We can anticipate that the market might reach 1710 and bounce back. So, let's explore how to place a sell limit order at that level. Begin by opening the gold symbol. Click on the 6 dots on the right side, and the trade options will appear. From there, click on Trade and then Entry. Look for the Sell Limits option at the bottom and turn it on. Now, input the desired price for the sell limit, in this case, 1700. Additionally, set your stop loss at 1713, take profit at 3, and place the order at 1701. Click on Place Order and then OK. Your sell limit order is now in place. To confirm, go to the Trades tab and click on the order. There, you can review the details of your sell limit order. If you ever need to edit your sell limit, click on Sell Limit. Options will appear, allowing you to change stop loss, take profit, or modify the order. You can even cancel or modify the order by going to Cancel Order or Modify Order. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications.